Want to avoid injuries, boost your energy, and see faster results? Here's why rest days are the key to unlocking your fitness potential as a beginner. Hi, my name is Steve, and welcome to the channel, and let's dive into this. The importance of rest day. Rest days are important for beginners in all levels of fitness. I've been training for over 16 years, and I take advantage of rest days. Rest days allow our body to repair itself and to prevent injuries. When we exercise, we create microscopic tears in our muscle tissues. When we allow our body to rest, healing of the microscopic tears allow the muscle to grow back stronger and denser. Fun fact about this process is that this can help you perform the same exercises with less effort in the future. Rest also allows the body to flush out lactic acid, which builds up during exercises, making our muscles feel sore and tired. And one final benefit, rest days are important for better mental and physical health. Taking a break is as important for your mental health as it is for your body. The problem, many beginners fall into the trap of overtraining, thinking and believing more exercises equals quicker results. But the reality is, there's really negative consequences from overtraining. For example, increased risk of injury. Skipping leg day can lead to longer time out due to injury like tendonitis or shin splits, muscle soreness and fatigue. Lactic acid builds up in your muscles during exercises. Rest allows the body to flush it out. Decreased motivation, burnout, causing you to have no energy for your next workout. Science of rest days. Remember when I said rest days allows your body to heal and repair itself? A benefit from the healing and repairing is it allows you to perform the same exercise with less effort in the future. Muscle repair, the process by which muscle repairs small tears that form during exercises. Muscle protein synthesis, the process of producing new muscle protein. The central nerve system, the central nervous system. CNS fatigue can also impact the body's ability to recover. It can prolong the time needed for the muscle and the nervous system to fully repair after a challenging workout session. Benefits of rest days: improve recovery, less soreness and more energy for future workouts, reduce risk of injury, prevent overuse and strain on muscles and joints, enhance performance, allows your body to perform at its best in your workouts, increase motivation, feeling refreshed and energized, helps you stay consistent with your workout goals. Faster progress. Rest day allows your body to build and adapt muscle more efficiently. How many rest days? There is no all-size-fits-all answer. It depends on factors like intensity of your workout, your overall fitness level, and how your body feels. A good starting point is 1 to 2 days of rest days for beginners. Listen to your body. Pay attention to fatigue and soreness. Believe it or not, sleep is essential for muscle recovery. Lack of it can impair muscle endurance and strength, delay muscle recovery, reduce muscle growth. A recommended amount of sleep per night is between 7 to 8 hours. Rest day activities. Rest day does not mean complete inactivity. An active recovery day means taking a break from your typical workout, but still doing some light activity. What do I mean by this? Any activity that you choose to do should not be intense. Let me stress that again. Any activity that you choose to do should not be intense. The goal here is for you to feel like you're taking a break, a day off, but with moderate movement. Just enough to get blood flow in your muscles, but not enough that you tax them. Some suggestions are walking, yoga, stretching, doing your dynamic and static movements, or foam rolling. I want to stress this and put emphasis on this, that on your rest days, it is very important that you get enough nutrition and sleep on your rest days. Okay. If you're getting value out of this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, hit that notification button so that you know every time when I drop a new video. Sleep helps the body recover, conserve energy, repair and build muscle, helps your brain perform, improve your mood. And let's not forget, I'm a nurse. So you know I'm gonna throw in preventing heart disease, stroke, obesity, and dementia. Nutrition, on rest days especially, since you're not really that active. You should be eating nutrient-dense meals that include high-quality protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated to help your muscles get nutrients. This will allow your body to repair and grow muscle and maintain energy levels. So, the importance of rest days for beginners is you want to have rest day because one, you want to focus on letting your body rest when muscle fibers are being broken down during your exercise. And you need that time for your body to heal and repair those fibers. Next, you also want to focus on listening to your body so that when you start to get fatigued or develop soreness, you know that you need to cut back. Also, if you start feeling plateau, stall progress, that's another sign that you need to have rest day incorporated into your workout days and take a break. Another thing you want to figure out is you want to include 2 days of rest days in between your workouts. You want to have 2 just to relax. Now, when you rest, that doesn't mean you're going to completely stop doing everything. You're still going to be active, but you're not going to tax the muscle. You go do little things like, again, yoga, walking, or stretching. Another thing I want to stress on your non-workout days is your nutrition and your sleep. Nutrition, you want to have high quality protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. And then you also want to focus on your sleep, get 7 to 8 hours, work on your mental health. Also helps your CNS, central nervous system. Prioritize rest days for a safe and effective workout. Subscribe for more workout tips. Leave a comment with your questions. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next video.